kami, tapos social distancing pa. Now, bakit po magkakaroon kaming exhibit? Because this is to promote documentary heritage. No? Ito, na-discuss ko na kanina, acquisition of archival collection. Then second, we have the storage, no? Storage and preservation of public records. Na kung makikita nyo, dito sa picture na to, wala pa yung pandemic, yung mga staff po namin nagkakaroon po ng tinatawag, nag-wear po ng mask. Kasi that is one way of preserving the document, no? Diyan makikita nyo na nag-groom siya ng dokumento, no? May dala siyang soap brush para tanggalin yung mga alikabok. No, bakit po siya nag-mask? Aside nga alikabok yun, yung saliva po natin, this contains po ng acid. And it is hazardous to our records. At the same time, yung nag-gloves po siya kasi yung pawis po natin, meron din itong acid which is also hazardous to records. So yan. Bakit po namin pininipreserve to? Because we are going to use this for exhibit. But during exhibit, we are not going to use the original. Bawal kasi. Kasi mga records nito, mga priceless po to. No? So, pambag mawala to, laking pananagutan po ng National Archives of the Philippines. At the same time, pre-preserve po namin because itong mga dokumento na to is being used for research and other purposes. So, yan. So, meron po kaming kasabihan na maayos na talaan serbisyo sa bayan. That is what we call a National Archives as good governance. So, let's proceed. Ano ba yung scope po ng RA 9470? So, ano po ba yung scope ng RA 9470? This involves all public records with or without archival value held by the government offices or private collections. So, pag sabihin po natin, it includes all the government offices. No? Pati po yung private collection. But as to the private collection, titignan po yan ng executive director if such collection is a potential as an archival materials. Pag hindi namin siya sakop. No? Aside from that, all archival and records management program activities in all branches of the government. So meaning to say, kahit nasa ibang bansa pa yung isang opisina sa gobyerno, hindi po siya pwede mag-dispose po ng kanyang records.